Bubble Plaza sure is busy today, fire truck. Let's get this cargo up safely.
Absolutely, Robot Painter. The Kelp tram's running smoothly so far.
Wait, the tram snagged on the overhead line. This could throw us off schedule.
I see it. Let's stay calm. We'll steady the rig and keep moving forward.
If I adjust the hook's angle, we can avoid the tangled kelp. Almost there. Or...
All right, going for the bypass. Steadying the rig. Careful now.
Watch out! The hook's starting to slide. We're running out of time. Hold on, one final move should lock it in place. Adjusting, now.
It worked! The cargo is stable again. The cargo's delivered. Let's hear it for staying calm and planning smart.
Cheers, fire truck. Hey, viewers, what was your favorite moment? Tell us in the comments.